Hi friends, this is for 8 mm settings. So you can see there it is being changing. The number has been changing. Is for 8 mm. This is called welding coil. So this is how the welding machine works. Wait 1 second. Friends, this is the welding button to on it. So the welding rod comes out here. So the main, if you are welding, the first thing you have to do is earthing. Earthing is the main thing. So here we will do. You can show that. You can show there. Earthing. Earthing has to be fixed here.